sorry, this is the only sweet lesson in the class. Are you alright? Weird. I thought this was a biology class. Are you sure you're alright that you don't need to see a doctor? Oh my god. What's that? Oh, it's the bell. Oh no, they're going to be looking to our chat. No! No! That's the biology teacher. Yeah. Okay, there's the bell. Again. We had a double period. Yeah. So you didn't move with the bell at the first time.